Hey everyone, Ryan here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to create a free landing page for CPA marketing. So essentially, I'm going to be breaking down the importance of watermark-free landing pages, the process for setting up your first CPA offer, and how you should be building your landing page step by step. So without much further ado, let's get this video started. And starting with the importance of watermark-free landing pages. And the truth is, most of the potential customers would never trust a landing page that has an ugly or distracting watermark plastered across it. A watermark on your landing page screams amateur and can seriously undermine your credibility, potentially costing you your precious conversions and commissions. And this is why it's absolutely crucial to have a clean watermark-free landing page when promoting CPA offers. A professional looking page inspires trust and confidence in your visitors, making them that much more likely to take the desired action and convert into leads or sales. So how do you create a stunning watermark-free landing page without paying anything? And for that, we're going to be utilizing the incredibly powerful tool called Google Sites. It is a free platform that allows you to build great, fully customizable landing pages with ease. And of course, the best part is that it doesn't have any watermarks or branding on your pages, unlike some other free landing page builders out there. Using Google Sites for your CPA marketing campaigns is a game changer because it gives your landing pages a clean, professional look that actually commands respect and attention from your visitors. So before we dive into the nitty-gritty of building your landing page on Google Sites, let's take a moment to set up the CPA offer that we will be promoting. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be using an offer from the popular CPA network, CPA Grip. But of course, this method works with any CPA network and any offer that you choose to promote. For my example, I'll be using this offer, so I'm going to head over to CPA Network's dashboard, locate the offer that I want to promote, and grab the tracking link. We'll be using this link later when creating our call to action button. Moving back to our Google Sites, let's start by navigating to the Google Sites homepage and creating a new blank or start from template site. Give your site a catchy title that relates to your offer and update the page title accordingly. After that, you want to change up the header area with an attention-grabbing background image that resonates with the offer's theme. So for my example, I'm going to search for a related image and then upload it to my site's header section. With the header looking great and on brand, it's time to add some compelling content to your landing page. I would recommend starting by inserting a relevant image. This will help reinforce the theme of your offer visually. It will also create a cohesive, professional look that ties everything together. After that, you may want to add a text box with a powerful headline and a brief but persuasive description of your offer. This is your chance to hook your visitors and convince them that your offer is something that they can't afford to miss out on. So try to make every word count. Another important detail is to create a clickable call to action button. There is no landing page that is complete without a clear or enticing call to action button that tells your visitors exactly what to do next. So in Google Sites, adding a clickable button is a breeze. Simply navigate to the insert section and click on button. Then give it a name that prompts action like enter now or claim your prize, maybe make a purchase, buy, and so on. Next, you will need to paste your CPA offers tracking link into the link field so that when someone clicks on your button, they will be taken directly to the offers landing page on the CPA network's website. And just like that, with very few simple steps, you can create a beautiful watermark-free landing page with a clickable call to action button that's primed and ready to start generating leads or commissions for you. So at this point, your landing page should already be looking pretty good, especially if you tweak the design itself and make sure that everything looks cohesive. But even then, you can consider adding some extra elements to really make it pop and further increase your chances of conversion. One powerful tactic would be to include social proof, like testimonials or success stories from previous winners or customers depending on your offer. And this would help build trust and credibility in the minds of your visitors, making them so much more likely to take action. I highly recommend you experiment with different colors, fonts, or layouts to create a visually appealing and cohesive design that aligns with your brand or the specific offer that you're promoting. Don't be afraid to get creative and try out different combinations until you find something that really resonates with your target audience. And once you've put the finishing touches on your site, it's time to publish your landing page and share it with everyone. Google Site makes it very easy to generate a custom URL for your site, which you can then promote through various channels like social media or email marketing. If you wanted to take things to the next level, you could even consider running some paid advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook or Google Ads, targeting your ideal customer and driving them straight to your own high converting landing page. And that will be a wrap on today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.